Today, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve TPMS sensor IDs from the vehicle's ECU. Then we're going to program them to the programmable sensor, which is the QWIK sensor that we're working with today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Program. Then we're going to select the QWIK sensor. Then select the make, model, and year of the vehicle you're working with. Navigate down to Retrieve ID, and the tool will instruct us to plug the OBD2 module to our tool, which is located on the bottom of your tool. Then press OK to continue. Next, we're going to turn the ignition on, and we're going to plug the OBD2 port then press OK to continue. Then we're going to retrieve all of the IDs from the vehicle's ECU. Now that all the protocols have been copied, we can copy them to a programmable sensor. Press the green button and hold the sensor to the antenna to program the sensor. Now that it's been successfully programmed, you can also copy the other IDs to the programmable sensors. Thank you very much for watching, and for more information on why we would want to retrieve the sensor IDs, please refer to the press release that came with this video.